What's up? Say hey, Taylor.
Hi.
So we're about to go fishing. We're in Rolla, Missouri, or they call it Rolla, Missouri, and we're about to go fishing over here in the, what is it called? The conservation?
Little Prairie.
The Little Prairie. And he got all the fishing accoutrement. We'll go fishing and have fun.
You want to grab that tackle box for you?
Yeah, where's the box?
She's gonna grab the tackle box. So just go ahead and get the line wet and see. So I cast my line out, get my line wet. And I wish I would have had, I forgot to put my headset on, but fishing. Now we just need some more beer. You got more beer in the truck?
It's in that cooler.
Yep. Grab a beer, sit on the stoop, and have fun. And laugh at this weirdo.
Yeah, buddy.
So I just baited my worm, or baited my hook. Got him on there. I'm about to launch it out there.
Frog.
You got frogs, you got snakes. Now it's gonna go on the other side of the lake. It's like a turd. Hope I ain't cross them.
Oh, yeah, but. Oh, you better be. You might get that first. Wait until you see it.
I see a bubble, which means that there's
No,
a fish.
No, a turtle or something like that is pushing on the ground. Or just foliage that's naturally rotten. Want me to put your bobber on there so you can watch bobber?
Huh.
Sure. You might have too much weight on it for that bobber.
I think I did it wrong.
No, it's just that you get a big sinker on there.
Oh, I was like, damn, I thought I caught something. Something bit the other part of my worm off though.
There you go. We'll just set you up here. There you go. Bite this one up, bud. Oh, you gonna get it?
Yeah. You ever see people fish with bacon?
No, I've seen hot dogs.
I seen bacon, like this dude, like we was in, what the hell is that thing on there?
That's a bobber.
That's a big fucking bobber.
And a glow stick at nighttime.
Huh.
So you clean those pay lakes out.
What the fuck is a pay lake?
You pay, go in there and catch catfish and stuff.
Oh.
The last one I went to, they have a blue cat that's over 100 pounds in it. If you catch it, you win the grand prize, and it's like a couple thousand.
Huh. Anybody ever catch it?
Yeah.
Huh.
They got, you know, they take pictures with it.
Do you get to keep it or you just throw it back?
Oh, you throw it back. They buy it back from you. They buy any big fish by the pound from you.
Huh.
And they always have like competitions and stuff like that. It was all right.
When you said pay lake, I was thinking like some other country shit that you be saying. Got a heart like a truck.
It'll stop on these right here.
Uh-huh.
So you're fishing about 6 foot deep.
Oh, shit.
So yeah, you just.
This shit is huge. There's all kinds of fanciness on this thing.
You gotta hang up on that if you fucking drag.
I'm gonna stand over here. Launch this. This the one that you said Anthony caught the big bastard with?
Yeah.
Huh.
I can't remember the name of the fish. He looked it up. Go grab us some money.
Big bastard.
Yeah.
No, that's the name of the fish.
Cape Coral
Huh.
in Florida. There you go.
Ding. Huh. Cape Coral, Florida. Is that South Florida, Central Florida, North Florida?
So about 30 minutes from you could be in the Keys in about 30 to 40 minutes.
Oh, that's way south then.
Yeah.
That's like below Miami South.
Oh yeah. It was hot.
I mean, it's always hot down there.
Yeah, it's not
Mom turned
Martha.
into bacon.
What? She was a whole lobster, huh?
Yes.
Do you get sunburned? You don't burn, do you?
Not really. Me and Taylor, we usually tan.
Mm.
We got that Indian, man. You got lucky.
Huh.
I got burned on my shoulder.
I got a thing they call black as fuck.
Hey, you get purple. I see you, man.
I get ashy. Shut up. Hey, man, look. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty cool watching that bobber out there just bloop, bloop, bloop.
Thing, huh?
Yep. No, it's just heavy. It runs on dreams and gasoline. I need a beer.
Oh, yeah.
Didn't you quit drinking for a while?
Yeah.
For how long?
I really don't know.
How long did you quit for?
Over a year.
Huh.
I just want to see what it would do to my body.
Yeah. Did you notice a difference?
Yeah.
Huh.
And now, like, you know, like, I do all right. Shoot, there's one more. Thanks, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to watch your rides over here. It doesn't look like nothing but.
It's too late in the day.
Might be.
You know, I'm a professional angler, so you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. Hey, man. Let me see that. Let me see. I'm not gonna hit you with it. You know what this is called? It's called a stick. You know what that's called? You know what that's called? Driftwood. Oh. No, I'm scared of spiders.
You were so concerned.
I was. Oh shit, I got something.
Oh, man.
Go eat a turd.
Oh man, unless I just bumped it. I think so. I got one. Oh shit. Oh shit.
It's so pretty. It's a rainbow trout.
Hey, how you take it off? I got a fish. Oh shit. I caught a fish. Hell yeah. And it's on video too.
Beer in hand.
Hell yeah. With a beer in my hand. Hell yeah. Is that edible? Would you eat that?
All right, so this is a panfish, if you was gonna eat it.
Mm-hmm.
There is a lot of meat on a bluegill.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like them because you can't fillet it. It's not really worth your time filleting because you get just a little piece of meat. But I don't like bones in my fish, but people fry them whole. They just descale them.
Just, oh, okay. Oh, good.
No, you turn
All
the
right.
fish loose.
Well, I got my hands full.
I got you, buddy.
No, I got it. I got my hands full.
All right. Yo, you caught a...
Dude, that thing took the fuck off. You saw that shit? That shit took the...
You need a worm or you got it?
No, he's still... sit her down right there. While we wait, we hydrate. Hope there's no bug following my beer because it's sitting right under this tree. I ain't trying to chew my beer, just want to drink it. thought I had something else. That was a damn branch.
You want to hit your other two? I'll get this one cleaned up for you.
All right.
Thanks, sir.
Ass in the water and toes in the sand. I know it's Zach Brown band.
Hey, do you remember them coming and playing?
I remember them coming to Stewart.
Yeah, did you go to that?
Nope.
Oh, man.
Did you?
Yeah, that was a good one.
Man,
Shauna was still pregnant with Taylor.
man, y'all did all the cool stuff. Done fishing. Caught one gargantuan fish. Motherfucker was big as hell. Had to be at least 17 pounds. But yeah, see y'all later.